Everyone wants viral videos, but most people think going viral is just luck. It's not, it's a formula, and AI can help you decode it. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to create viral short-form content in minutes. No expensive gear, no big team, no fancy editing, just the right prompts, the right rhythm, and a clear creative direction. This is Incognito Future Lab, where the future speaks in code. Let's begin. Prompt 1, the hook builder. The first 3 seconds decide everything. If you can't grab attention instantly, the algorithm moves on. Ask ChatGPT to write 10 bold hooks that trigger emotion, curiosity, or surprise. Say, write 10 viral YouTube Shorts hooks about artificial intelligence, each under 10 words, designed to make people stop scrolling. You'll get lines like, AI just learned how to dream, or this robot knows your next move. Test each one out loud. If it doesn't feel alive, it won't survive the scroll. A hook isn't about shouting, it's about curiosity that demands an answer. Prompt 2, the story core. Every viral short is a miniature story. A beginning that raises a question, a middle that builds tension, and an ending that delivers payoff. Ask ChatGPT, write a 60-second short script with a clear opening hook, emotional build-up, and a surprising conclusion under 400 words. This forces structure. AI gives you the skeleton, you supply the tone. Keep it simple. One emotion, one idea, one twist. When people feel something, they share it, and that's what makes videos spread. Prompt 3, the visual cue command. Viral videos are built visually. When prompting ChatGPT, don't stop at words, include sight. Say, add visual scene cues for each line, like neon circuit forming a brain, city lights flickering with data, AI eye close-up. Now you have a ready-made storyboard. Jump into Canva or Pexels and match clips instantly. This one step saves hours of editing and gives your visuals narrative purpose. Prompt 4, the tone transformer. A script is only half the magic, delivery is the rest. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite your script in multiple tones. Say, rewrite this in 3 styles, cinematic and intense, calm and informative, mysterious and futuristic. Then read each version out loud. You'll feel which one fits your channel's identity. Your tone is your fingerprint. It's what makes viewers recognize you before your name appears. Prompt 5, the viral polish. When you've got your script, finish strong. Tell ChatGPT, add natural pauses, pacing notes, and sound effect markers to heighten emotion. You'll end up with a version that already breathes, perfectly timed for voiceover. That's what separates content from cinema. Here's a pro move most people miss: combine prompts. Ask ChatGPT to build hooks, feed those hooks back into the story prompt, then finish with the tone transformer. Layered prompts multiply creativity. You're no longer guessing what might go viral, you're engineering it. And here's the mindset shift. Virality isn't about algorithms chasing numbers. It's about people chasing moments. When your video gives someone a spark of awe, laughter, or reflection, that's the share trigger the algorithm rewards. So focus less on views and more on the feeling you create in the 60 seconds. Now you have the complete framework. Hooks that grab, stories that flow, visuals that mesmerize, tones that connect, and rhythm that holds attention. It's all built with AI, but directed by you. The next time inspiration strikes, don't overthink it. Open ChatGPT, run through this formula, and craft your next short. Maybe it'll hit 1,000 views, maybe 1,000,000. Either way, you'll know exactly why it worked, because now you understand the science behind the scroll. This is Incognito Future Lab, teaching you how to create, automate, and innovate with AI.